Many antibacterial cleaners, which are designed to disinfect your home, promise to kill 99.9% of germs. But if you're not using them correctly, then the job they should be doing is not giving you the protection you expect. Many of us are doing a lot more cleaning at home, spraying and wiping pretty much everything in sight. Many of us are cleaning too fast for our antibacterial products to disinfect. So what's the right way to clean? For a germicide to work, it must touch the germs. If you have a layer of grime, the dirt can protect the bacteria. Therefore, cleaning must precede disinfecting by cleaning your surface first with warm soapy water. You probably need to let your disinfectant stay on the surface that you're cleaning for much longer than you think. The longer that you can let it be in contact, the better. Many of us are used to giving the surface a quick spray followed by a wipe or two, which may not allow enough time for the product to work. To find out how long the recommended time is for a specific product, check the label. The guidance time ranges from 30 seconds to several minutes of contact time before you begin to start wiping. Antibacterial wipes will also have a specific time too. These tend to range from 3 minutes to 10 minutes. With the wipes instructions, even though slightly confusing, will require you to wipe the surface and to leave to dry, which equals the wait time. If you're unsure for what type of products that you need for cleaning in your home, check out the next video.